I'm about to show you how to grow your online fitness business from 0 to 100K a month. I'm well versed to show you how to do this because I have helped over 15,000 people grow successful online fitness businesses. And I was one of the first people to do online training back in 2009. And all of us, we had to invent it. We were the pioneers. And I went on to build a multi-7-figure online fitness business. Now I teach people how to do it. I'm gonna teach you in this video. I'm gonna break the whole thing down. I'm gonna assume that you guys are starting from the beginning in this video. And even if you're not starting from the beginning, if you've already got it going, you're gonna learn a lot from this video. I'm gonna break this down. And it's not just stuff that worked for me, it worked for thousands of students of mine. The first thing you need to do to grow your online fitness business is you have to find a way to stand out, because there are thousands and thousands, maybe millions of trainers on the internet. Think about it. Every trainer in their bio, there's probably millions of them. How do you stand out? It seems saturated, overcrowded. This is how you stand out. You have to pick a niche. And when I think about picking a niche, first thing you need, niche, boom. First thing you need to think is, who do you want to market to? So you need to pick one kind of person. Then you got to think, what problem do you want to solve for that person, right? Then you want to think about, how are you going to solve that problem for them? It needs to be super specific. I want to show you some examples. This is one of my students, Kelly Nicole Fit. She made $1.4 million last year as online training. And Kelly only helps women get toned. As trainers, we know they want to recomp, but she uses their language. That's very important. You don't want to use trainer jargon. And that's what she focuses. She only helps women. She won't train guys. And it's young women too. So she helps young women do like body recomps. And all of her content is about that. Another example I have of successful students is Corinne. Corinne made over $200,000 last year as an online trainer. He helps men lose fat with the vegan diet. See how he stands out? There's not a lot of people doing that. Another example for one of my students is Corey Armstrong. Corey made over $400,000 last year as an online trainer, and he helps men get ripped with intermittent fasting. It's right there in his bio. And that's what all this content is about. Now, here's the thing. The reason you want to niche down is because then you'll stand out. If you're just a fitness guy or a fitness girl, then you got to compete with all the fitness guys and all the fitness girls. But once you niche down and you talk to one specific person and help them solve one specific problem, then you'll start to stand out in this crowded market. If you want some help with that, I got a free ebook called The 10 Commandments of Online Training. It'll show you exactly how to do that. Hit the link in the description. You can download it right now. Once you figured out your target market and what you want to help them with, then you need to create content that helps them accomplish their goals. You want to post this content every day. If you want to make money online every day, then you got to be online every day, right? That's how it works. What this is going to do is it's going to attract them to you, right? And then guess what? When that type of person sees content that helps them specifically, they probably got friends and family that are similar to them with similar goals, and they're going to hit the share button. And that's one of the ways you grow. There's a lot of different styles of content you can post to grow your following. I'm gonna give you 3 of them right now. First one is just regular diet advice. This is from one of my students, Corey Armstrong, who made over $400,000 last year as an online trainer. And basically, he's talking about the worst food for fat loss. He's just going over it in his video. He types a lot of it in the captions, boom. So general diet advice works really well. Workout advice that helps your target market accomplish their specific goals. Here's one from one of my students, Jen Caesar. Jen made over $100,000 in her first 5 months in the program. This is real easy, right? She helps moms get in shape. And you can see in her caption, I invented this hot mom summer, right? She's talking directly to her target market, and she has the workout. And this is so easy. It's just her doing a bunch of workouts, and she tells them to read the caption, and people read it. Because at the end, she says, hey, DM me bod. Let's build some strength together. You can see all these people commenting bod. Another style of video that you can make is just general fitness tips that may be outside of just pure diet and exercise. For example, this is one from my student Corinne, who made over $200,000 last year. And he's talking about, will soy grow man boobs? Because remember, he helps vegans get in shape, right? So he's talking about the soy cause man boobs. And he's talking about that shit. I think the title of this was Vegan Fitness Myths, right? So it's kind of general stuff. This kind of content works really well because it helps your target market with their specific goals. And when that person wants help, who they're going to go to? The person who's helping them with their specific goals, or the person who's just doing fitness stuff that may or may not pertain to them. Again, if you want to learn how to put that together, click the link in the description. There's an ebook there. You might want it, you might not. Step 3, you want to DM everyone who engages with your content. If they leave a comment, if they like your comment, even your new followers, right? Because you're gonna get some new followers once you start posting this kind of content every day. And what works best, instead of just text DM, what works best is a video or a voice message. Video's the best. And you wanna start a conversation with them to see if you can help them and sell them on your training. Every time somebody follows you, you can say something like, you want to say their name, you can say something like, hey DeAndre, thanks for the follow. I'm curious, are you working on any fitness goals right now? You ask an open-ended question, then you get a conversation started. If somebody comments on one of your videos, you hit them up. Hey Lorenzo, appreciate the comment on my last post. Man, what fitness goals are you working on right now? Something like that, you know? If someone likes your post, DM that motherfucker. Hey Trayvon, appreciate the like on that post. You have any big fitness goals you chasing at the moment, homie? Something like that. Be personable, be regular, don't be a robot. Just talk to them like you're talking to one of your friends. That's a position you should always have. A friend who's trying to help. That's how you want to talk to them. And then once you get the conversation started with them, what you want to do is move that conversation to a sales call and then close them on online training. Again, if you want to learn more about that, click to the description in the link. There's a free download you can ebook. Again, you should engage with everyone, right? Some people are like, man, I only got 100 likes on my post. That's 100 potential leads. DM them motherfuckers. Like straight up, I'm not even joking. That's 100 potential leads. DM all of them with a video. Fuck else you gotta do. Now, if you're an online trainer, you may be wondering how should you price your product or service? Here's how you can make a lot of money even if you don't have a big following. There's a few different pricing structures I teach my students, but one of them is charge $80 a week. And if you get 25 clients paying you $80 a week, if you keep an average of 25 for 52 weeks, which is a year, you'll make $104,000 a year. You don't need millions of followers to get 25 clients. You don't even need 100,000 followers to get 25 clients. I've had students with 2,000 followers get past 25 clients and make over $100,000 a year with the systems we teach. Now, click the link in the description. The free ebook will show you all about that and more. You also may be thinking, man, how can I be an online trainer if I don't have a whole lot of experience? I love fitness. I love helping people accomplish their goals, but I never did it before. Here's how you position yourself as an expert. What you want to do is first train some people for free. This could be friends or family members or just followers. Put a post up, say, hey, I'm looking for 5 people to train for free for a month, right? Train those people for a month. Get them in great shape in exchange for a testimonial, right? We teach this to our students. We call it the testimonial harvest. And then you use those testimonials to get paying clients. And after that 1 month, if you really help those people in your testimonial harvest make some progress, then you say, hey, guys, if you want to keep doing this, keep making progress towards your goals, I'm willing to give you a discount because you believed in me, and you can charge them like half price or something. Give them a deal, and then everybody else after that, you pay full price. We call that the testimonial harvest. And this really helps our students who never really did this before. It gives them instant credibility after just 30 days. The key is to pick the fattest people available, because the fatter they are, the faster they lose weight. So you have way better testimonial faster. And that's the quick and dirty game plan to start your online fitness business. Of course, if you want more help than that, if you're really serious about this, I got a free ebook for you called the 10 Commandments of Online Training. It'll show you exactly how to grow your online fitness business, even if you don't have a big following, even if you're not certified, even if you don't have a lot of experience. Click the link in the description and you can get it right away.